Hi, welcome to HardReset.info channel. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and now I will show you how to bypass family link protection on this device. At the very beginning, I want to show you that parental controls I can't uninstall. I can't install this. And now I want to show you how to uninstall this application and how to disable parental controls on your device. At the very beginning, you need to go to Settings application, scroll down, and here choose Google in Settings. Then choose Manage your Google account. Wait a while and scroll right and choose Data and Privacy. Scroll down and just delete your Google account. Fine, here you need to enter your password. And then choose Next. Scroll down, choose I understand that the Google account I manage with Family Link for children under the age, and scroll down, choose yes, and choose delete account. Fine, we have an error here, it's great, and now I will show you that we see that applications are enabled. And now we can uninstall parental controls from our device. Fine, but our Google account was deleted. And now we need to recover it. Choose Play Store, sign in, wait a while, and enter your email. Choose Next, and now we will see this message. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. Choose Next, and now enter your password. Afterwards, choose Next. Wait a while, scroll down and just accept. And fine, our Google account was recovered. Fine, thank you for watching, subscribe our channel, like this video, and goodbye. See you soon.